Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. I know I haven't posted in so long, but me and Stephen are being like flat out busy. We have some exciting news to tell you. We got an apartment. Yay! I'm so happy about it. And I even vlogged, the day when we were going to the house viewing. I just vlogged it just to see if we would get it or not. So if we got it, I would have added it to the video, which I'm going to do now. So I hope you enjoy that and just a few pictures of, the day we got the keys and everything. So today we are viewing an apartment, and if we are successful at getting the apartment, of course I'll add this video to my next video. But we're very excited. I think this is the first time we've actually viewed an apartment together. Stephen's just getting ready and I'm just so excited to see what the future holds. It is, yeah. So today we have an exciting party planned. We're doing a housewarming / my birthday party. I'll be 24 on Monday. I can't believe it. I'm hitting the mid-20s. It's crazy, years fly by, but I'm really excited. And I've just invited some of my closest friends and family over, so it's really nice to see them all and catch up. And what a perfect day to do it, because it's 24, 25 degrees in Ireland today. So I'm sweating like crazy. We didn't prepare for it to be this warm, but it's going to be lovely, and we'll have a few drinks outside and play some games in the evening. I don't know what will happen, but yeah, I want to take you along with me today and share some memories with you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I thought I would give a mini tour before all the guests arrive, because I didn't yet, and it's just a quick tour of the house. So this is our bedroom here. And then we just have an ensuite bathroom, and then I'll show you the guest bedroom. So this is our wee guest bedroom and Stephen's office place. Then we go here. We've set up for the party. Stephen's playing video games. So we've just set up for the party. We are doing something really interesting. I don't know if anyone in Ireland's heard of it, because I haven't since I lived in the Netherlands. But we were kindly gifted by Stephen's brother and sister-in-law a pizza gourmet. And for those of you who don't know what it is it's just like a mini little pizza oven. So we have some dough here. We have some other little party bits and pieces. And yeah, this is the kitchen. So hopefully, maybe in the future, if you're all interested, I can do like a little house, like where I bought some house things, maybe to inspire anyone who, give some inspiration to people that are also moving into a new home, and, what to get, where to get it in Ireland specifically. But look at the weather today, first of all. It's insane. I love it. And yeah, now we're just waiting for people to come. We haven't had this house as clean as it is now since we bought it, but it's really nice. I'm excited. Are you excited? You have to say yes.
Oh, yes.
Woo.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time
Enjoy the party.
the
Party, Mia. Yeah, you're on my electric scooter there. How was it? I know it's very warm today. Oh, we took really cute pictures.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday, dear Shani. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Okay, I have to think on the spot.
Yeah.
No pressure.
2, 1.
Hey.
I don't know why people scream.
I've never heard that being yeah.
Yeah, it's a rainbow cake. There we go, and we'll do another one. Okay, you can stop.
Nice song.
Hi everyone! So it's the next morning after the party, and well, my head's a little sore, but I don't know for everyone else. But it is like 25 degrees today, so we're heading to the beach. So we're just walking up there now. And I suppose I'll show you a view as well. It's a really nice view as you walk to the beach. I usually walk back past it when I go to work. Yeah. I can't get over how nice and warm the weather is today. It's so lovely. We're just at the beach enjoying ourselves, and later on we'll see what we'll do. So Sarah and I are about to go on this after last night. I don't know how my stomach's gonna be. Oh my gosh. Let's see. We have our tokens ready. We made a mistake with this one. It goes really fast. Are you gonna record? I don't think I can. Not that far. Try it. Yeah, I just don't want to lose my phone. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah. It's like go outside. It's like what's next? The big one. So I'm gonna end my video here. I hope you really enjoyed it. Today is my birthday, so I'm just going to have a really nice relaxing day and spend some time with friends and family. And yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy.
You are fool.